and let me go to the website right now. Okay, as you can see, this is the website, fresh and new website. Okay, this is how you can actually do it with your phone. It doesn't matter what you are using. If you are using your phone, you can actually do this. What's up, guys? This video is going to show you how you can actually install your WordPress website from your hosting provider with just a single click. So stay with me till the very end. You are going to learn how you can actually install your WordPress website from your hosting provider. Or this video is actually going to show you how to do that, very simple, and you can actually do it with your phone, because I'm going to do it with my phone. Well, it doesn't matter whether you have laptop or you don't have. A lot of people are giving excuse because they don't have laptop and they are thinking that they can't host a website. In fact, to be honest with you, all this website that you are seeing right now, I host it with my phone. Guys, for you to actually install your WordPress website, all you need to do is to go to your hosting provider, log into your account and go to your dashboard. You scroll up, you are going to actually see all your hosting. And for instance, I want to install WordPress website on this godswayblog2.com. I'm going to actually click on it. So guys, if you are getting any value on this video, kindly subscribe and don't forget to like this video as well. So as you can see, to install this now, I'm going to actually click on cPanel. There is actually a place that I can actually install WordPress website on my hosting. Okay, so everything happens under cPanel. Let's give it a while. It's loading. Okay, wow, yeah. So as I'm going up, just be following. This is, as you can see, it's very easy. You can actually do it with your phone. See, as you can see where this wrote WordPress blog, you click on WordPress, okay, because that is what we want to install. So as you can see, install now. Let me show you. This is the domain name now that I want to install WordPress on. So I need to clean this WP. So don't forget that to delete it, because it's not necessary. So this is the latest version of WordPress 6.1. So you can choose the one that you want. Okay, so for me, I leave it on the latest. Okay, here you can actually generate a password, or you leave it like this. This key have already generated a strong password for you. So for here, I can actually choose template, theme. Sorry, let me choose this one. Okay, select theme. Yes. Okay, here I can actually put my email, installation details, where after installation they are going to send me email, but I don't necessarily need that. All I need to do now is to go and hit install now. Okay, so give it a while, checking the data, checking the submitted data. This may take 3 to 4 minutes. Please do not leave this page until the progress bar reaches 100%. Okay, we need to wait. It's loading till 100%. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, please kindly share my video, like my video, and watch other videos that I've already made. With this, you are giving me the strength to actually make more. So let's give it a while to load. Okay, let's give it a while. Installing, still installing. As you can see, I can actually do this with my phone. It's not necessary that you must have a laptop, because I know that laptop is too cost now, but that is not going to be an excuse or stagnation given to you. You can actually do it with your smartphone. Okay, but I'm not saying that if you have a laptop you cannot do it. So if you have a laptop, it's good though, but if you don't have, you don't need to worry yourself. You can actually host your WordPress website and install it using your phone. To be honest with you, I showed you my website. That first website, I actually used my phone to host that website, customize it, do a lot of things, and actually apply with my phone and get approved by Google AdSense. So for me, I love using my phone because 90% of my phone, 90% of the work I do online, I use my smartphone. Okay, so guys, as you can see now, this website is already installed. As you can see here, admin, the link to the website. So the reason why I cut this video short, because of the too much time this website take to install. 3 to 4 minutes is too much long, and then I need to edit it out, so sorry about that. And let me go to the website right now. Okay, as you can see, this is the website, fresh and new website. Okay, this is how you can actually do it with your phone. It doesn't matter what you are using. If you are using your phone, you can actually do this, and if you are using a laptop, you can actually do this as well. Okay, this is a fresh new website now. So thank you for watching this very wonderful video. If you like this video, please kindly subscribe, and if you like to see more, kindly subscribe, because this is just like a genesis. Thank you.